So today we are going to learn how to open a Facebook account, a Facebook page actually. So we are gonna learn. Facebook has opened up instant articles to publishers all of size. In this post, we will guide you through ins and out of Facebook's publishing platform, how to get started. The announcement that instant articles were being opened up all publishers came in February 2016. February 2016, and they were officially open for all on April 12 at Facebook F8 conference. A Facebook native publishing platform has been rumored since the social network changed its newsfeed algorithm to favor quality content in 2013. Since the update, Facebook has become one of the top referred to traffic news sites and blogs of all sizes. And in the summer of 2015, traffic analytic company partially revealed that Facebook had even overtaken Google as the number one referred of traffic to to news sites. Before launch, over 1,000 publishers were testing the platform as it's rolled out to everyone. We excited to learn how to get started, how they work, how much engagement do they receive. In this post, I am happy to cover the INS and the ins and outs of Facebook Instant article, how to set them up for your blog. Here we go. Facebook Instant article. What are they? How they work? These are five things. First off, what are instant articles? Instant articles were built to solve a particular problem, show loading times on the mobile web. Instant articles were specific problems, slow loading times on the mobile web and load up to 10x faster than mobile web articles. The Facebook native publishing platform includes a whole host of interceptive features that help stories come to life on mobile, including autoplay video and tab to zoom image galleries. Josh Roberts, the product manager at Facebook, explained that about the format in a post on the Facebook blog. Facebook's goals to connect people to the stories, posts, videos, or photos that matters most of them. Opening up instant articles will allow any publisher to tell great stories that load quickly to people all over the world. With instant articles, they can do this while retaining control over the experience, their ads, and their data. The platform has been testing with selected partners since May 2015, and the data so far feels encouraging. Instant articles receive 20% more clicks than mobile web articles from the news feed. Once someone clicks on an instant article, they are 70% less likely to their article before abandon their article before reading. They are shared 30% more than mobile web articles on average. Facebook also discovered that people on the slower connection read 20 to 40% more instant articles than mobile web articles on average. How to create instant articles? Step 1. Sign up. The first thing you need to do to get up and running in sign up to join the program. You can do this at instantarticle.fb.com. Note: to begin publishing, you must have an exciting Facebook page and have admin or editor role on the page. Step 2. Facebook page. After signing up, you will be given the chance to choose which page you would like to activate articles for. Step 3. Once you have selected your Facebook page, you will be asked to provide a URL intent to use for articles. This URL will serve as the basis of the